Friends, when I first embarked on my manifestation journey, I stumbled upon the concept of surrendering. And let me tell you, it was a game changer. But here's the thing. I was clueless about how to actually do it effectively. I found myself pondering questions like, how do I surrender? What does it even mean? And more importantly, how can I surrender in a way that brings me real results? That's when I discovered the technique explained by the brilliant Neville Goddard, a master of manifestation. And in this video, I am going to share this very technique with you. It's a technique that has transformed my manifestation practice, and I believe it will do the same for you. But here's the catch. To make this technique work effectively, you must follow it exactly as I am about to explain. So, I urge you to stay tuned till the end of this video, because every step, every detail is crucial for your success in surrendering and harnessing the power of the universe. Are you ready to take your manifestation journey to the next level? Can you imagine a life where you effortlessly surrender your desires to the universe and watch as they unfold magically before your eyes? Well, my friend, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. So, grab a pen, paper, and an open mind, because we're about to dive deep into the realm of powerful surrendering techniques. Make sure to watch until the very end, as each step I share holds the key to activating the full potential of this technique. Get ready to surrender like never before and awaken the true essence of your manifestation powers. Let's make this journey together, step by step, as we unlock the secrets of effective surrendering. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment. If you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for continuous flow of informational videos on manifestation. Get ready to transform your manifestation practice. Let's begin. Many people talk about surrendering after you've done the work, but what does that really mean? How do you actually stop thinking about it and go about your day? The need to surrender is important to your manifestation success. Renowned mystic Neville Goddard teaches us that once we have relaxed ourselves into a state akin to sleep, imagined and immersed ourselves in a scene of the wish fulfilled, that's essentially all we need to do. By impressing this vision onto our subconscious mind, Goddard believes that the rest of the process, the expression of our desire, is left in the hands of our higher self. This is where surrendering comes into play. Just as a seed we plant in the ground follows its own natural process of growth, manifestation too has its ways and means of expression. Once we have done the work of impressing our desires onto our subconscious, it's time to surrender, to let go and trust that the universe will take care of the rest. Interfering in the process, whether through doubts, fears, or attempting to control every detail, introduces resistance that hinders the manifestation from flowering into reality. By surrendering, we release this resistance and allow the creative act to take place in its own divine timing and manner. First and foremost, it's crucial to choose a manifestation technique that resonates with you. Don't just follow a method because it claims to work for everyone. If you don't connect with the technique, you won't get the desired results. There are numerous methods out there, such as the 369 method or the basic law of attraction method. Pick the one that feels right for you and aligns with your beliefs. Remember, the connection with the technique is essential before you can surrender. Once you have chosen a manifestation technique that resonates with you, it's time to understand the true meaning of surrendering. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up or passively waiting for your desires to magically appear. Instead, it involves letting go of any attachment, doubt, or resistance towards the outcome you desire. Once you've chosen your manifestation technique and completed the necessary steps, it's time to cultivate certainty. This is a commonly discussed aspect of manifestation, and for a good reason. You need to believe with absolute certainty that what you're manifesting will come to fruition. There can be no doubts or uncertainties. It's similar to baking something in an oven. You trust that it will cook fully, without questioning the functionality of the oven or the outcome. Apply the same level of certainty to your manifestation. For example, if you're manifesting abundance, firmly believe that the money, wealth, or abundance is already yours. If you struggle with developing this level of trust, I have a separate video on this channel that guides you on how to have unwavering faith in your manifestations. You can check it out after watching this video. The key is to find that unshakable belief in your desired outcome. Now that you have certainty, it's time to surrender and take inspired action. Surrendering doesn't mean you stop caring or taking action. It means releasing your attachment to the outcome and trusting in the process. Surrendering involves letting go of any resistance, doubts, or worries. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to manifest your desires. Take inspired action, which means taking steps that are aligned with your desires and intuition. This could involve following your instincts, seizing opportunities, or putting yourself in the right environment to receive your manifestation. Surrendering and taking inspired action go hand in hand. It's about striking a balance between trust and proactive behavior. When you surrender, you are relinquishing control and allowing the natural flow of the universe to guide your manifestations. It involves releasing any doubts, fears, or resistance that may be blocking the manifestation from happening. Surrendering is about embracing a state of trust, faith, and detachment from the outcome, knowing that what you desire is already on its way. Taking inspired action means actively participating in the manifestation process. It means being open and receptive to the signs and opportunities that come your way. It means being willing to step outside of your comfort zone and take risks. By taking inspired action, you show the universe that you are ready to receive and that you believe in the manifestation of your desires. Taking inspired action also involves aligning your actions with your intentions. This means being mindful and intentional in your choices and behaviors. For example, if you are manifesting a healthier lifestyle, taking inspired action could mean making conscious decisions about your diet and exercise routine. It could also involve seeking out resources such as wellness classes, healthy recipe books, or a personal trainer to support your journey. By aligning your actions with your intentions, you are actively investing in and nurturing your manifestation. Before we conclude our video, let me summarize the points we discussed in today's video. Surrendering in the manifestation process is about releasing attachment to the outcome, trusting in the process, and taking inspired action. Choose a manifestation technique that resonates with you. Develop certainty in your desired outcome, and if needed, switch techniques until you find the one that feels right. Remember, surrendering doesn't mean you stop caring or taking action. It's about finding that sweet spot between trust and proactivity. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf and take inspired action to align yourself with your desires. I hope this video has clarified any doubts you had about surrendering in the manifestation process. Remember, surrendering is not about giving up, but about letting go of resistance and trusting in the process. With the right technique, certainty, and a balanced approach to surrendering and taking inspired action, you can manifest your desires faster and more effectively. So, go out there and manifest the life you truly desire. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you in your manifestation journey.